Hello everybody and welcome back to Notthatkindofachannel. My name is Peter and in today's video is all about how to do some cosmetics on our Land Rover Discovery 4. The cosmetics I will do is, or the repairs I will do is, I will try to get out a dent which I got in the back of the car. And for that reason, I thought it would be a good idea to buy a set to get these dents out. The main reason why I bought this set on Amazon is a few weeks ago we bought an Audi A3, and this car has a major problem, or a few problems, and one of this is the problem is that the car has, as you can maybe see over here, it has some hail damage. So also here, I mean, it's not that much, but yeah, they don't look good, and that's the reason why I bought this set. And because I also have some dents on the Discovery 4, I will now show how you can do this on your own. If you go to a workshop, I think this is not really inexpensive, and with a bunch of time and a bit of patience, I think you can do this on your own. And now I will show you which dent I will try to get out on the Discovery 4. If we change, here you can see there is this dent. I got another one, a small one in the door here, but I don't think I will find it. Here it is. But it's a really small one, and yeah, you have to take a close look at it, that you will find it. But for today, I will show you how I try to get this one out. And for that reason, as I said before, I bought a set on Amazon, I think for about 90 euros or something like that. And now I'll show you what you will get within the set. The set is really huge. You get a lot of things. I will start over here. So you get a huge amount of tabs where you put the glue on and pull the sheet metal out. Then you get this reversing hammer. Then you get the normal hammer. If you pull the metal sheet too wide out, you can hammer it back in. Then you get this lifter here, this dent lifter. Then you get different types of glue. I read that the yellow ones are for a wide range of sheet metal. The clear ones are for finishing, so if you only have small dents, you can get it with them out. And the black ones are for really hot weather. So in our case, I already tried this yesterday. I'm using the yellow one. So you also get a line board. This one is with a light integrated, so you can plug it in with power via USB. I'm using a power bank for this one. Then you get this small bottle, but without isopropanol. I would recommend that you use isopropanol for getting the glue back off. Yeah, and that's it. And now I would say I'll place the camera, and then I will start to pull this dent out. So the next step I did is I set up my line board here. You normally have to, you have the possibility to stick it to the paint, but this doesn't work. I'm sorry for that. So I get another tripod and I fixed it with cable ties here. And maybe you can already see that there is some wobble in here, and here's the dent. And now I will try to pull this one out. So then I will heat up my glue gun. There is already, as I said before, there is already the yellow one in. So I use this one. And then we have to check which kind of tab we should use, because you have for every dent, or for every kind of, or for every form of your dent, you can use different tabs here. So yesterday I tried it already on the Audi, and my favorites are those small ones over here. So I got this pink one and I got this violet one. Yeah. Then we need a towel and our plastic shovel here to get the glue then off from the car. And yes, that's it for the moment. So once the glue gun has its temperature, let's have a look. Yeah, it's already coming out. We will fill up this one fully and then push it to the dent. But I will change the camera and I will show you how you will do this one. So let's go over here. Let's grab the camera and so. Okay, now we have our glue gun here, and I think this one. As you can see, this one has a slight higher part in the middle of it, so you can pull out the deeper side of the dent in the middle. But the first thing I forgot to do is I have to clean up this one with isopropanol, so the glue will really stick on here. So let's spray the dent, clean it up. I have to say this job really needs time. So I think a professional doesn't need that time, which I do, but because I'm not a professional, I need, what did I need yesterday? I think half an hour for one dent or more. Yeah. And now you can see the glue is coming out. And then you place it here so that the glue comes out around this tab here. And then we have to wait about 3 minutes and then we're starting to pull this one out. So now the time is up and we get away our light and we get I will show you the lifter. So with the lifter, you get the lifter over your plug. Then you will set the right height for this. And then you start pulling it out slightly. Don't do it too hard. Okay. I think this was too less. I have to wait a few more minutes and then I will do this again. But first, there's a trick. This one sticks really hard on your car. So use the plastic shovel and make a little gap over here, or with your fingernails, and then spray your isopropanol on it, maybe around, and then wait about 30 seconds, and then you should easily get it off. So you see, and it's away. So the step we did before, we're trying to do again, and yeah. So let's try this again. Always do small movements to get this one out. Okay. So then get our isopropanol and our plastic shovel again. So, okay, it's already here, but we get it out over here. So the next thing is I will do this one again and get the tab down here and then pull it out again. So now I'm using a black one because the blue one is dirty and I have to clean this one. But I will do this in the meantime while this one, oops, I have to reload it. In the meantime, while this is drying out here. So, okay. Let's see where this one is. Yeah. place this one here. So the reason why I said you will need time for this is because you sometimes have to do this 10 to 15 times to get one dent out. And yeah, you need a bit of patience, and yeah, this is what you need for this one. So this is the third round I'm doing this. And maybe I will do this a few more times. So, but I will do this, I think 5 to 10 times, and then I will show you the result. And if you have pulled too much so that the sheet metal will get out, then you get this hammer, and you can hammer it back in. But be very, very careful. Don't hammer too hard. And yeah. So I will continue with this one here, and then I will show you the result. But I think you can already see that it's much better than before. Here we have this small dent. There is a small dent. So I will stick it on this one and then pull it out again. So the next tool I'm using is this reversing hammer, or this pull-out hammer. You can use this instead of the pull-out tool, which I got over here, or which I used before. With this one, you have more force than with the other one, but you can also use it. You can see here. But get the dent out very. Okay, so this was the 11th time I did this, and then I think maybe I have to do it over here 2 or 3 times more, and then I will come back to you, and then I will show you what it looks like. Because I get this one too wide out here, I'm now trying to get it back in. So, but here I think here I have to pull it out a bit more, because there is also a small dent in here. I hope you can see this on the video. This is here. I think it's here. Yeah, here. So I have this one to pull out again, and then hope it looks much better than before. So guys, after finishing the pulling out procedure, I'm now polishing this area a bit, and then I will show you how it looks like. I have to say, as I said before at the beginning of the video, on such a sharp edge where the metal is really thick and strong, it's really hard to get the dent out. So guys, we will now check the dent. Maybe we can see something or not. I think the result turned out really well, because, as I said before, at the edge it would be really hard to get this dent away or get this dent out. I think you have to get on the inside and pull it out with a tool. But for me, as an amateur, I think the result turned out really well. And yeah, what do you think? Is it worth the money, the set? Because you pay much more at the body shop or at the workshop to get dents out. Just tell me what you think about this one, and I hope you like the video, and I hope you get really some useful information out of it. And I think you don't have to be afraid to do this on your own, because the only thing is you need time. You need time for pulling it and for pushing it. And yeah, I think this is a really cool or really good option for you to do it on your own. If you like the video and if you find the video helpful, please give me some thumbs. And if you want to see more from that kind of content, it would be really great if you subscribe. Guys, have a nice day and see you soon. Bye.